Hi, I'm Randy Reed. It's todayinlighting.com, Monday, 4 August, and I hope you had a nice weekend. We're sponsored by the ArcLight Summit. Register now for the 16-17 September event in Dallas. Here are the stories making news. Sanan Optoelectronics and Inari are set to acquire Lumileds Holding BV, aiming to enhance vertical integration and competitiveness in lighting and semiconductors. The deal is expected to close in early 2026, pending approvals. Legrand reported a strong first half 2025 results with 13.4% revenue growth and a 21% operating margin, driven by North America and data centers. The company raised its full growth outlook to 10 to 12%, highlighting innovation and strategic acquisitions. Details at edisonreport.com. Dialight will officially inaugurate its new Malaysia manufacturing facility on 12 August, consolidating LED and optoelectronics production to boost efficiency, innovation, and sustainability. The new facility reinforces Dialight's growth and commitment in the Asia-Pacific region. Learn more at designinglightingglobal.com. Dark Sky Lighting's energy-efficient, heritage-sensitive upgrade at London St. Paul's Cathedral Garden enhances safety, reduces light pollution, and preserves historic charm with dark sky approved bollards and lanterns, cutting energy use by 37.5% while improving nighttime visitor experience. View that project at designinglightingglobal.com. The markets were a complete mess on Friday for reasons that are too numerous to mention. The Dow dropped 542 points. NASDAQ was down 472. All the lighting stocks that we covered were down. AMS Osram led the way, down 4%. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great week. Pray for peace.